Hello everybody, so it's my second day of working on the garage office. Let's see what I got done so far. So far I've gotten the entire wall framed out. I have the door mounted. I repaired all of the drywall. I haven't sanded it down yet, but everything's spackled. I put down all the subflooring, and I threw down just a couple pieces of laminate just to see how it stuck to the plywood and how it looked. This is the stuff that I got. This is a leftover piece. It's all vinyl, and it's, instead of locking together like pergo wood, this has the whole back is sticky, so it's kind of weird. It's easy to put down. You just lay it down on the spot that it's supposed to go, and it's supposed to stick. So pretty good. I used it in the camper, and it wears pretty well, and it's holding up. So see how it goes. Today, I just got home from Home Depot. I've got drywall and 2x4s, some joint compound and spackle tape, and gonna see how this goes. I got this sheet of plywood for the shelf. Drywall is not something I'm good at spackling. So the first cut is done. This is gonna go around the door. I think this is going to break as soon as I try to put it up, but I guess we'll see. So the first piece is up. I don't know how many screws I should put in, so I'm just going to keep going until I feel like it's up there good enough. Probably some along the top up here, and definitely some along the side. I left a little bit of space between the top and the drywall. I'm going to put a piece of trim over it, like there. And also, look at this freaking thing that bit me as I was working. Bit me on the back. Look at this. Look how big that thing is. I hit it with a shoe. Oh, it's coming back to life. Oh! Nope. Alright, I gotta go. Alright, so I think I'm done, at least for now. The whole thing is drywall. I think I may put insulation in this wall before I close it up. I'm gonna do drywall on this side too, but it gets really cold out here in the winter. I'm fine working out, all that stuff in the cold, but when I have to come out here and do work on the computer and stuff, I thought the insulation might help. Plus, it's good for the water softener if it's in a more controlled environment. So maybe, we'll see. The inside is done. I don't know if I did a good job or a bad job or what. Gotta adjust that door a little bit. But that is, I don't know. No, there's a couple gaps, but I'm gonna put a piece of trim up here. Put a piece of trim up there, all the way around the bottom on the drywall. I didn't want to mess with this beam and this black, what do I call it? Hose line, this black line, because that's for the air conditioner that I just had put in, and they told me that could be like $800 if I damage it. So I figured it's in here, you don't see it, no big deal, I don't care. I'm going to paint the beam probably white. If I go crazy, I may box everything in, but I don't know. Probably won't. Next is the drywall tape on the seams. I don't think I'm going to get to that today, but I don't know. We'll see. Yes, that's it for now. I still haven't found this damn fly. I'm going to be paranoid about this thing until it's dead. But whatever. Alright, thanks for watching. Check in next time.